You know, gotta wipe my nose. All right, so we just made it to mechacon. Everybody dressed up, looking good, in costumes and everything. You know, so as I'm talking on this one. All right, so so I'm gonna go to the downstairs a little later. Okay, Uh, but I ain't gonna go to the outside. You know, tell me what another. Y'all know what I mean. All right. Yeah, I know I ain't lost though. I'm just taking a walk around. That's all. Just walking around. How y'all doing? Oh, oh, I thought you had 4 eyes. Oh, look, can I show my viewers? All right, look. All right, look. You kind of scared me. I thought it was real eyes. It's all painted. Y'all see? All right. I'm doing a show for YouTube, and this one is live, and this one is being recorded. All right. So, all right. Nice meeting y'all. Domino 7, they call me. All right. I hope y'all watch this show. It's called Just Me at the mechacon. All right. What's your name? Courtney and Jasmine. Oh, all right. That's my cousin name, and I have a friend with the name like that. All right. Beautiful name too. All right. Y'all have a blessed day. All right. What's going on over there? There's a lot of noise going on. Oh. Oh, look. All right. So, well, I could have got this picture, but I ain't had time. You know. Wow, so much excitement here and everything. How y'all doing? All right, so anyway, so much excitement going on. It's awesome. I wouldn't say pathetic because people gonna get offended if I say pathetic. All right. Y'all know elevators is fast out here. You know.